what is interdisciplinary research? Well, I think we have to think about what a discipline is first. I think disciplines for me are about a set of cultural practices that generate particular kinds of knowledge, require certain kinds of knowledge and skills and ways of talking. And so interdisciplinary research in that respect is the coming together of these different disciplinary perspectives. So in the real world, we often see this when groups of professionals come together to solve a problem. Each professional brings with them a particular perspective on that problem and certain kinds of assumptions about what the nature of that problem is. And through that coming together, it generates a kind of dialogue where new knowledge, new understandings emerge. So the Very Local Maths project is a project that is aiming to reinstate the joy and creativity back into mathematics. For many young people, their experience of mathematics can be quite negative, especially school mathematics and its emphasis on testing. So we are trying to answer the question, what is a community mathematician? And we bring in a funds of knowledge perspective to look at community mathematics outside of school. I think this is the first project to do that. The project team consists of a group of young people as co-researchers who are helping us to address this important question. And we've also got mathematicians and artists and performers who are all interested in trying to bridge the mathematics and art disciplinary boundary.
So this project is an example of interdisciplinary research because we're from different disciplines and we're working together on a common goal. Definitely pushing ourselves outside of our comfort zones and trying to do exchange. For me, I added an extra layer because I was external to the process. I was an associate researcher, an artist that wasn't necessarily attached to the institution beforehand. So it was very much a mixture of people and disciplines. So I feel that Creative Manchester has helped us to facilitate this project because it's such a brilliant model of innovation and multidisciplinary working. So from my interactions with it, it's definitely informed the way that I've brought myself to this project and making sure that all the partners take risks and know how to work collaboratively.
I think one of the key things I've learned from being involved in the project is how different disciplines bring different sets of expectations. So for instance, the mathematicians involved in our project see their engagement with young people as being one of fascination. They have this advanced mathematical knowledge that they want the rest of us to see. Whereas I think I've brought to the project a kind of understanding that mathematics is in the everyday, it's all around us, and that we're all mathematicians in some sense. And so we want our young people to really understand that they are mathematicians too and that they can be mathematical. And this is the value of interdisciplinary research. It brings these different perspectives together and you create these understandings out of it.
So my experience working on an interdisciplinary project it's absolute heaven for me because I don't like to be bound and I really relish opportunities to work with various partners and just get an understanding of different people's perspectives, and to do that specifically with mathematical pedagogy and creative mathematical pedagogy has just been super juicy, and to have young people at the centre of it, it's just been brilliant.